Hey guys, it's Bray the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. In this video, I am going to be announcing the $10 gift card giveaway winner that I had done on my Walgreens haul video from this week. So if you entered in that giveaway, definitely make sure you stay tuned, see if you are the lucky winner. I am also going to be showing you guys how to put together some deals and transactions at the end. So your out-of-pocket cash cost for 8 different products is going to be $4.25. That includes taxes and everything. So if you're struggling with couponing at CVS, these videos are definitely going to help you out. And of course, if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them as well. Want to pop into a couple updates for you guys. I do have another giveaway that I'm going to be doing next week on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be going live again. I'm going to try to go live on Instagram and YouTube at the same time. I'm going to do one on my computer and one on my phone. I'm going to try to start doing that every Wednesday. Next Wednesday is going to be 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'd love to have you. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be there and if there's a certain topic that you want to talk about. This current week, we talked about using credit cards to help us with savings, using different bank accounts and things like that. So let me know if there's a certain topic that you guys want to discuss about couponing or saving money. My next beginner's couponing class is going to be Tuesday the 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My advanced class is going to be September 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are wondering the difference, the advanced class is what I focus on for how to put together deals and organize your transactions to keep your out-of-pocket super low. We go over the checkout process, how to stay organized to make sure that your checkout goes smoothly, using more rebate apps to help you with saving additional money. So we're really focusing on making sure that it doesn't take you hours and hours to put together your deals. Want to make sure that it doesn't take you that much time. So we're quickly putting together deals, we're quickly putting together some hauls and things like that. That is the focus of the advanced class. Beginner class is, of course, just how to coupon, what coupons you can use, where to find coupons, digital coupons, the whole 9 yards. So that is the big difference. So both of those are going to be always linked below. You can always find them on my website as well, BreeCouponQueen.com. If you want to know exactly what topics are covered, when you go to shop at the top and you click on it, it's going to explain everything for you. So it's super easy to navigate on my website. Okay, now we are getting 4 coupon inserts. I mentioned this every week on my Instagram, what inserts we're getting. Highly, highly, highly recommend grabbing some inserts. There's so many coupons we're getting. A lot of them last for a couple weeks as well. So you can save a lot of money with just these inserts because we're getting 4 inserts. Unilever has a ton of hair care coupons. There's a lot of coupons that I'm going to be using, of course, next week to save money at CVS, Walgreens, Target, you name it, that are going to be from these inserts. So if you want to be able to do the same deals that I'm going to be showing you guys next week, I highly recommend grabbing inserts. Now remember, not every region gets inserts. Not every region gets the same coupons. That's why I order mine online through BQ. Both of the websites I use that are shown here are linked below in the description box as well. And here are some coupon codes for your first order so you guys can try them out and start saving money. Both of them also offer subscriptions that we don't have to worry about every week remembering to order and place your order on time. If you're doing subscriptions, I would recommend starting the subscription on like Monday or Tuesday because that's the day for BQ that your orders are going to be shipped out. That way you can make sure you're getting your coupons early so you don't have to wait for them the following week. Now let's start getting into these deals. So we have another spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. This is different from the beauty deal, which is spend 30, get 10, or spend 40, get 15. So these are 2 different deals. So for this one, what you can grab is 3 of the larger Pantene that are 15, 1 of the Tide Pods, and 2 of the herbal essences. Now, if you haven't used any of these digitals yet, because we only get 1 for the month at CVS, Then you can use the Pantene Digital. It does typically glitch if you use a paper coupon as well. Then you can use the $2 Tide Pod Digital and the Herbal Essences Digital Coupon. If you don't have the Tide or the Herbal Essences Digital, you can use the paper ones instead from the September PG insert. If you have a 5 off of 25 hair care CRT, definitely add that in. You'll pay $15.94 plus taxes, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $5.94 for 6 products or 99 cents each, which is an incredible deal. And the $27 in hair care we have in this deal is going to track towards CVS Beauty as well. So if you're still wondering what extra bucks are, what CRTs are, how to kind of figure them all out, I do have a CVS couponing ebook and a Spanish version that I just came out with as well. Both of those are going to be linked below. They go over exactly how to coupon at CVS and kind of all the ins and outs about CRTs and the store process. Okay, Pampers, let me know in the comments if you guys have been getting the 4 off of 20 diaper CRT. I haven't gotten the CRT in a long time. They keep giving me 4 off of 40 or sometimes 5 off of 30. But of course, when you're doing a deal like this and they're 2 for 22, you can't use either of those. Okay, I don't know why every time I do my must do deals videos, I yawn like 5 times during the video, which is so weird because anytime I'm recording any other videos at the store, I never yawn. But for some reason, when I record these must do deals video, I just keep yawning. It drives me nuts. Anyway, so if you hear my voice like be weird, it's because I'm about to yawn. Okay, moving on. So Pampers are now 2 for 22, which stinks. They used to be 2 for 20, but as we know, a lot of the prices have gone up, which is why couponing is so important. You can help combat all of the increasing prices and save money by couponing. So I definitely recommend doing it. So with these 2 coupons, you'll pay $15, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $5 a piece. So not a bad deal. Still good savings compared to what you would buy them for at Walmart. Now, if you want to do deals on diapers, I definitely recommend rolling your rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. So if you want to pay $15 in extra bucks, then you're only paying taxes out of pocket and you're getting back a $5 extra buck. So it would only cost you in essence $10 in extra bucks. So you can always pay with extra bucks. Keep that in mind. Okay, Revlon. I love Revlon products personally, and I'm really excited. So this deal is not included in the beauty promotion of spend 30, get a 10. This is a separate promotion, even though it's on a beauty product. So a little confusing, but this is spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. And the limit is 6. So if you spend 30, you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, so on and so forth. Where also, it shows right in the ad, everyone is getting a $3 off coupon. You can find this in the CVS app, or you can print it at the Redbox Coupon Center inside of CVS. So I would grab a lip and an eyeshadow. That'll bring you to $16.98. You're going to use a $3 Revlon lip coupon and a $3 Revlon eye coupon. Typically, the coupons are a limit of 1 each. That's why I'm getting 2 different Revlon products. Then you're going to use that instant coupon that we're all going to get. So every single person, if you get your inserts, can do this exact deal, which is amazing. You'll pay $7.98, get back a $5 extra buck. And this does track towards Beauty Club. So remember, in the Spend 30 deal, we had $27 of beauty products. Now we're adding another $16 of beauty products. So that puts us well over $30. We'll get another $3 beauty buck in 48 hours after we check out, making these completely free. It's never too early to start thinking about Christmas. If you want to start putting together a little beauty gift basket, or these could be some really cute stocking stuffers, anything like that, they're going to wind up being free, and it's pretty good quality makeup. So always keep that in mind, especially moving forward throughout the rest of the year. Christmas is going to creep up on us, so we want to start putting together gift baskets and buying things here and there for the ones that we love, whoever we're getting some Christmas gifts for. That way we're not last minute paying full price. We don't want to do that. Here is a moneymaker deal. If you didn't use the 4 off of 2 instant coupon we got the current week at CVS, if you haven't gone to CVS yet, go on the CVS app under deals and rewards and send this to your card so that way you can use it next week. I've already printed mine, so I'll be good to go. We're also getting a 3 off 2 L'Oreal coupon in our 9/12 inserts. So for this deal, when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra back. So they're 2 for $8. We have $7 in coupons. We're going to pay $1 out of pocket, which is amazing. Get back a $3 extra buck, making it free. And actually, it's a $2 moneymaker. Sorry about that. I couldn't do math. It's a $2 moneymaker, which I'm really excited about. Now for some Colgate. This is on mouthwash. This is on toothbrushes. So you can do a variety. You can do one of each. Totally up to you. Just grab 2 of the products that are included. They're $4.49 each. It shows right in the weekly ad. We have 50-cent coupons coming, and it's going to be in our Smart Source. So you'll pay $7.98, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $1.49 a piece. Not the best deal. Typically, for me personally, $1 or less on oral care is more of a stock up price, but I would recommend for oral care going to Walgreens. We get free toothpaste, free toothbrushes, literally almost every single week. Sometimes it's even moneymaker deals. But if you don't have a Walgreens near you, this is still a very easy, beginner-friendly deal because anyone can do it. There's no CRTs, nothing else used in this deal. As long as you buy the inserts, either you buy them on Sunday in the newspaper or you order them online, you're going to be able to do this deal. So that's why I love putting these deals in here because they're very beginner-friendly. Irish Spring, right now available. It's linked in the description box. It'll say new printable coupons. Click that link. You can print $1 off 1 Irish Spring coupons. Print them now because I don't know if they're still going to be available next week when you want to do the deal. But the expiration date is typically a week or 2 in advance. So if you print them now, you should be able to use them next week. Then they are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. We are also going to use an Irish Spring CRT if you have it. Sometimes we even get 3 off of 2 Irish Spring CRTs. So fingers crossed we all get some good CRTs next week. With this deal, you'll pay $4, get back a $2 extra buck, makes the body wash $1 a piece, which is an extremely good deal on some Irish Spring body wash. Here's another hair care deal. They are buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. So you can mix and match. You can do whichever of these that you want. I just added in 2 of the Suave and 2 of the Dove. These are the coupons you're going to use from our Unilever insert we're getting on Sunday. Then check to see if you get a 2 off of 2 Suave hair CRT. A lot of times when we get the Suave professional deals, some of these CRTs will float around. You'll pay $6, get back a $3 extra buck, makes it $3 for 4 products or 75 cents a piece. So super, super good deal. This $14 also again tracks towards CVS Beauty. So we're almost at hitting Beauty a second time from all the deals so far in this video. Now I want to go over the giveaway winner of the $10 gift card. I posted this giveaway in my Walgreens haul video. I've been trying to do a lot of giveaways on my channel, just give back to you guys as much as possible. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. That's how you can enter in my giveaways. I do giveaways on my Instagram as well, which is Bree Coupon Queen 1. That's my new Instagram, so if you don't follow me there yet, I'd love to have you. Congratulations to Brianna Gramajo. I hope I said that name right. Just shoot me a quick email. Let me know you are the winner of the gift card. That way I can send that over to you. And of course, more giveaways next week, like I mentioned earlier in the video. So definitely stay tuned. You guys know I love giving back to you guys. Now let's get into these transaction examples. So this is how you can put together deals and arrange your transactions to roll your rewards and keep your out-of-pocket super low. So I'm also going to, in the next slide, go over your cash costs because I know a lot of you guys like to know exactly how much it's going to cost you out of your pocket to do these deals. So for transaction 1, I recommend getting the L'Oreal because it's a moneymaker and the Irish Spring. You want to put together the deals in the first transaction, giving you back some rewards. So you'll pay $5 after all the coupons that I showed you earlier in the video, but instead of paying $5 out of pocket, you have to pay it anyway, right? Instead of giving them cash, instead of giving them a credit card, a debit card, what I recommend, download the Flues app. When you download it, use code BRIE coupon queen 21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Now, last week when I did this video, I had a woman get extremely pissed off over Flues. So I don't want you guys to get frustrated. If you ever run into issues, all you have to do is ask me. I'm here to help, but don't reach out to me and be rude or comment rude. If you have a question about Flues, I have a video on my account or on my channel for how to use Flues. I have a video for how to get more vouchers. I have a video for how to stack Flues with other different websites like Rakuten, Rebate Key to stack up your rewards. I try to give you guys as many videos to explain everything as possible, so definitely check that out. When you use up the 3 vouchers, you will have no more vouchers, but there's easy ways to get more vouchers, so keep that in mind. Vouchers do expire, but it tells you on the app when they're going to expire. So don't let them expire. Make sure you use them before they do. So those are a couple tips for you guys. So for this deal, you're going to get a $10 gift card. When you get that gift card, you will instantly, just for buying the gift card and using a 35% voucher, you will get back $3.75, and that'll instantly hit your Flues account even before you use the gift card, okay? Then you're gonna get back a $2 extra buck and a $3 extra buck. So they're gonna scan that gift card right on your phone. Make sure the cashier clicks gift card first on their side. Then they're gonna scan it, they're gonna type in the PIN on their side, and it'll cover this. Now, transaction 2, you're gonna give them the Dove and the Suave. After coupons, you'll pay $6 plus taxes, but we got $5 in extra bucks from our first transaction. Hand that to the cashier. That's going to count towards your cost. Now you only have to pay $1 plus taxes. But again, we still have money left over on that Flues gift card. So keep it open on your phone. Show it to them again. They're going to scan it. Same process. It's going to cover the cost of this. Now you're still going to get back a $3 extra buck for doing the deals in this transaction. So here's the final cost breakdown. All you paid was $10 on the Flues app for a $10 gift card. You got back $3.75 from Flues for buying that gift card. Then we still have about $2 left over because remember it was $5 plus tax and $1 plus tax. So we've used $6 plus taxes on the gift card. So you should have around $2 left over. That makes your final cost $4.25 for all 8 products. And this is cash cost or 53 cents a product, which is incredible. You also still have a $3 extra buck now for your next transaction. Whether you want to do that same day, the next week, just make sure you use it before it expires. If you guys have any questions, always let me know. I'd love to help you guys, and I really want everyone to be able to save as much money as possible, especially to help kind of combat all of the raising prices on everyday items that we buy. If you guys are having any issues, let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.